Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. Traders, Anthony here. We're looking at gold. Okay, so we can see we've had this break of structure to the downside on the daily time frame. Bearish break of structure here. And I'm looking for an opportunity to short this. At the moment we've got this level down here. It's already been tapped into. But I'm not seeing a lot of strength coming into the upside. So let's just have a look at this on the lower time frame on a 4-hour chart and give you my take on this. We've got this level here on the daily key level. So that's what I'll be looking at as far as a target is concerned. Having a look at the 4-hour chart. Right, I like this pullback up into resistance here. This balance area. Okay, so we'll just mark that 4H. I would like to see a little bit more upside here. However, in saying that, I'm good to go with a market sell. Okay, so we can see here there's lower lows, lower highs. This is trending down on the 4H. Now we've got this break of structure right here, daily and the 4H. And targets I'm going to be looking for. Well, this level here, this balance area here would be target 1 pretty much. Just mark that up. And yeah, I mean, target 2. Further down we've got these levels back down in here. All right, so I'm going to go in with a really specific position size. I'll kick it off with a market sell. Smallish position to get my feet wet. Entry sell. And that'll be 0.2% of my account. Right, so you've got to manage your risk. So there's an entry short, and I'm looking for another sell. There'll be a limit order up here. Sell limit order, just under the this mid level of this balance area here. Go in there with another position up. Go in with about 0.4. And my overall position size is going to be 0.6%. And that allows me 4 trades with maximum exposure of 2.4% of my account. So that's what I do. So managing risk, we've got, as far as the stop loss is concerned, I'll go above this high. It's a little bit tight. I mean, we could go a little further. Might even do that just to give it a bit of room to breathe. I mean, gold can be pretty volatile. I guess this is my trading plan. Targets are going to be short position. I'll just average that out. Stop loss here. And what I tend to do is go for broke with that. That'll be a dynamic target, more or less, with a target 1 above this daily. Just have a look left. See these highs back in here. This low over here. So T1, I'll go in. Something like that, and I'll take most of my position off. So that's my setup, and then I'll pull the stop loss down to be in the money, and then we'll see what we can get out of it. The idea is, if this trends, for example, just keep going until we break the trend. So if we do get so break of trend, break of structure to the upside, that would be an exit point wherever that happens. And I'll be mainly trading this from a 4-hour chart perspective. So these are my levels. Okay guys, click the links below. Check out my Telegram group. It's free, you're welcome. Love to see you in there. Have a look at the other link. We trade your Forex account. Comment, share your opinions. Love to hear from you. Hope you have a great day. Safe trading, and see you in the next one.